If you're getting USB drive is unsupported on the top right, like me on your PS5, and when you plug in a external hard drive, that's what you need to do here to fix this problem. You need to plug your external hard drive to PC, and then you need to open up your PC where you can see your hard drive. My case is here. Make sure to basically store your data somewhere else, because we need to do one thing that will erase everything from your hard drive. So you just need to right click on it, format, and then make sure to select exFAT, and then select a start. But as you can see here, formatting will erase all data on the disk. So just be aware of that. And then you just need to plug it to your PS5. So now guys, I just plugged my hard drive in, and if I go on storage, you can see that now everything here is working. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.